Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view credit score on Scotiabank. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here and log into Scotiabank. Come here at the top right, click on sign in, make sure you log in, it's your account. And once you're logged in, right, here under manage my accounts, you'll see additional links and you'll see this option right here that says see your credit score. So make sure you're under account summary, click on see your credit score. Okay, just tap on this and you'll be redirected right here. This is our TransUnion credit score. So this is the score as you can see, and you'll see where you currently stand and what this number represents. So this one represents fair. You can scroll down as well, see your credit score history, right? So this is from TransUnion. And they have the other credit bureaus as well. You can tap here on credit report and download it as a PDF as well. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix